Brothers and sisters, in this series of these videos, I will join the audiobook of Jivan Vidya Guidance to Students in English, which is mainly written in Marathi language by Sri Sadguru Vamanrao Pai. Pai was social reformer and great philosopher. He was sculptor of Jivan Vidya Foundation. This book is specially written for students to guide us at the right time to become successful and grateful citizens or persons. Why says that today's students are tomorrow's citizens and future of world or earth fully depends on them. If these students doesn't get proper guidance at right time, then they will become waste or none. So, Pai think about questions of the students and wrote a small book contains questions and answers for students in Marathi language. So I will give here audio book of this book in English language in the series of videos. This book is fully source of inspirations for the students and youth to achieve high goals and dream in their life. Let's begin. First questions asked by students to Sadhguru. What exactly mean by education? Please guide us on this subject. Sadhguru answered to students that in man's life, knowledge is supreme. There is nothing so sacred, auspicious, and useful as knowledge. The effort made by man to acquire knowledge is called education. Man's education starts in the mother's womb and continues till he reaches his dawn. In the other words, man is an eternal student and must keep studying from the cradle to the grave. Hence, Jivan Vidya says that education involves studying during every moment of one's existence. If man doesn't possess knowledge or education, he is nothing better than a two-legged animal. Unfortunately, the number of two-legged animals among human beings is only increasing tremendously day by day. Many people have started considering money to be God and are madly running after it, while at the same time turning their backs on knowledge, which is essential for acquiring wisdom. The main reason why there is so little happiness in the world and so much sorrow is that people have emphasized the importance of money and turned their backs on the knowledge. In short, there is no alternative to knowledge in the world, and therefore, Jivan Vidya stresses that knowledge is weapon, protector, and science. Knowledge is strength, knowledge is an power and force. Knowledge is an asset, riches and wealth. Knowledge is God, angel and divinity. So become great by acquiring knowledge and wisdom. The second question asked by students to Sadhguru that do you think that our knowledge can be evaluated adequately by means of written tests that last for only 3 hours? Sadhguru answered that it is possible that students' knowledge can be evaluated adequately by means of written tests that last for only 3 hours. In this context, a Marathi saying would be very apt, namely, one can judge whether rice has been properly cooked by testing just one grain. Keeping this in mind, one can say that students' knowledge can be evaluated adequately by means of a written test that lasts for only 3 hours. Further, the knowledge contained in every subject is so vast and that is it may not be possible to ask more questions and carry out a complete evaluations of students due to lack of time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to get further notifications of this book. In the next video, of this series, Sadhguru tells how to study proper and smart. Please see the next video on the channel Jivan Vidya Foundation in English. Till then, bye bye.